Hi guys, my name is Vivek and today we will discuss about technical analysis, why it is important and why not to trade without having a complete understanding of technical chart patterns. Why is it so? So take an example of a doctor who wants to fix a broken bone of his patient without having a look at the x-ray, or a person who is stuck in a jungle and he doesn't have a map and he wants to get out of that jungle. Would it be possible? Very difficult. Rather he would become the food of someone else, maybe an advocate who wants to win the case of his client and he had not done the in-depth study of client's case. So it's always better to trade based on technical chart patterns. Without understanding technical chart patterns, and trading is a gambling. A lot of people do the same mistake. They come into the market and they start trading and lose money and go out and never come back. It's a serious business. It's not a joke. See, the richest people on the earth with sharpest mind, with the smartest people in their team and the fastest computers with best network of people, those are influencers, are trading in the market, and we have to be with them or we have to compete with them to win. It's not easy, but it's not impossible also. We can do the same thing with the understanding of technical chart patterns, and with discipline and with proper practice we can also win. Say, without understanding technical chart patterns, a person's odds are that he would be winning 3 to 4 trades out of 10. But with the help of technical chart patterns, the probability of winning the trades becomes 6 or 7 trades out of 10. It's like a cricket series of 7 matches. If a team wins 4 or above matches out of 7, he wins the series. Yeah, in the same way, if we win more than 50% of the trades and every time we do make money, we make more, then we lose money in losing trades, then there's a big money out there in the stock market and we can make consistent money. But without the help of technical chart patterns, it's impossible. It's impossible to make consistent money. It's a primary requirement to learn technical chart patterns, which tells us where there is a supply and where there is a accumulation, where big guys are buying the stocks and where big guys are selling the stocks. It tells us clearly, and almost every time this is correct. If we do the thorough practice of all the chart patterns and we understand, then we are going to make money out there. But without this, no, it's not. Learning technical analysis is like learning how to drive a car. It's almost a 5 minutes job to tell that what we need to do to drive a car, isn't it? It's a gear lever, it's a steering, it's acceleration, it's brake, it's clutch, and it's a handbrake, and this is reverse, this is forward, and this is done. Is it done? No, it's not. We need to practice a lot, and this is one of the skill which cannot be learned only by listening. We need to do a lot of practice ourselves. One more thing, till the time we don't know how to trade, we must not trade. First, we must learn all the required technical knowledge to trade. Only after that, in the same way, till the time we don't know how to drive a car, we do hire a driver or we do hire a cab, and simultaneously we start learning how to drive a car, and the day we become expert in driving the car, we can buy our own car and we can start commuting with our own car, or we can start driving ourselves. So this was a very small video for today. I just wanted to tell you the importance of technical analysis, why it is important. It gives us edge. Without this, we would be losing money. We cannot make money consistently here, and where we cannot make consistent money, that cannot be called a business, that can only be called a gambling. The probability would be increased when we do trade based on technical chart patterns, and without that, of course, this is not. So let's start learning technical chart patterns and start making good money. So keep on learning before start trading. Keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel and do a thumbs up. Have a great day. Have a good trading. Thank you.